Plan is orthogonal projection on a horizontal plane, which is a top view, in this example, view from Z. And elevations is orthogonal projection on a vertical plane, which is the front view as view from X and side view as view from Y. Plan and elevations should be drawn to full scale, and which is the actual size. And it can be drawn into a figure which is divided into 4 quadrants. The position of side elevation is in the first or second quadrant, depending on the viewing direction. If viewed from right to the left, for example, it's viewed from this right to the left, so the side elevation should be in second quadrant. But if the viewing direction is from the left to the right, if viewed from here, so it should be on the first quadrant. And the front elevation is always at the top of the plane, so it should be beside the side elevation, and the plane will be below it. So the front elevation here, and the plane will be in fourth quadrant. So and for this case, the side will be the front elevation, and below it will be the plane. And for the remaining quadrant, just draw a line to represent 45 degrees. Let's draw a plan and elevations following this step-by-step guide. First step, decide the position of the plan and elevations. So the direction of side elevation is from right to the left. So from right to left, the side elevation should be drawn in the second quadrant. So first you need to draw out the fourth quadrant, and side elevation is in the second quadrant. And front elevation is drawn beside the side elevation, and the plane is always below the front elevation. Then draw a line to represent the 45 degrees for the remaining quadrant. Second step, you start by drawing the plane first, which is the top view of the object. So the top view from here. Draw out using thick solid line. And remember to label all the lengths. And each vertex should be labeled following the viewing directions. So as viewed from top down, so E first, then D, and F first, then A, and then this is J, this is G, and I first, then C, and H, B. Third step, project the sides of the plane to the first quadrant to draw the front elevation. So the lines projected should be thin solid lines. Then draw the sides to connect, and also label the length. Then the vertices. So as viewed from here, you should label F first, then E, and then A, D, G, J, and H, I, and B, C. For the last step, project the sides of the plane and the front elevation to draw the side elevation. So first you need to project the sides of the plane to the side elevation, and project the front elevation to draw the side elevation, and then draw the sides using thick solid lines, and dashed line is for the hidden side. So as viewed from here, so this is the side that is hidden. And same thing, you need to label the length. This is 4 cm. And this is 1.5, which is here 1.5, and this is 3.5, so this is 5 cm, the remaining, and this is 1.5, the remaining will be 3.5. And that's it. Finally, a drawing of plans and elevations is complete.